At Illinois American Water, delivering safe, clean water to our customers is our top priority. Recent testing of select Peoria locations with known lead service lines found elevated lead levels. We want to assure you this is not a community-wide condition, and results are specific to the homes where the sampling occurred. Water leaving our treatment facilities does not contain lead and is safe to drink. We're doing our part to keep your drinking water safe by fortifying the system against lead through corrosion control and by proactively testing and replacing customer-owned lead water service lines. We've replaced 2,800 lines in Peoria to date. Customers can also take a few simple steps to reduce their potential lead exposure by participating in our lead service line replacement program, flushing your taps, changing water filters and faucet aerators, and by using cold water from the tap. Help us help you by checking your service line today.